Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Argon protocol token. Ticker symbol is AGT. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange starting tomorrow, December 9th at 11 o'clock UTC time. We're going to go over the information on the Argon protocol token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. The Argon protocol token. So this token is being listed here December 9th at 11 o'clock UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search AGT, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So this token is on the Binance Smart Chain. And according to their BSC scan right now, they only have 3 holders. So it's safe to say that this is going to be their initial listing date. Brand new token here. They have a max total supply of 100 million AGT tokens. 18 decimal places on this token. Now, what is this project all about? Well, Argon Protocol is a decentralized, non-custodial leveraged trading protocol where users can gain leveraged exposure on assets. Liquidity providers deposit liquidity with leverage in order to earn passive income from trading fees and art incentives. This liquidity is utilized by the Argon protocol to create leveraged exposure. Realistically, Argon operates as a leading protocol for both traders and users and LP users. Here you will find the key information about the Argon protocol. Argon protocol will be built on the Binance Smart Chain first and then move to more layer 2 chains in the future. So they are going to be cross-chain, it says, in the future. So the Argon protocol is designed around a unique approach where liquidity providers extend loans to traders, enabling them to engage in asset to stablecoin swaps for short positions or stablecoin to asset swaps for long positions, with pre-established Uniswap V3 pools. Argon protocol utilizes 2 main types of liquidity. Number 1 is the Argon protocol's intrinsic liquidity. This is a focus in this section. And liquidity from the Uniswap V3. Detailed information about Uniswap's liquidity provision is widely available and not on the subject here. So they're saying basically if you want to look up how Uniswap works, you can obviously look that up on Uniswap's website and socials. So leveraged liquidity in Argon protocol. Argon protocol requires its own liquidity, but the amount needed is significantly less compared to other exchanges. Thanks to its ability to leverage this liquidity, for instance, Uniswap V3 ETH USDC has a pool that has $110 million in concentrated liquidity. Argon protocol can integrate with such pools, instantly accessing a market depth of $110 million for traders, even with just $1 million of its own liquidity. Argon protocol can support trading in liquidity pools of 110 million, achieving a capital efficiency of up to 110 times. So liquidity pools in Argon protocol comprise of a blend of two tokens based on what the exchange is trading. For an ETH USDC exchange, liquidity providers are required to deposit equal value amounts of both ETH and USDC. Withdraw token composition and balancing, so price fluctuations of the underlying assets can lead to imbalances within the internal liquidity pool. For example, a 50% increase in the value of ETH would result in a higher ETH value compared to USDC in the Argon protocol pool. So new LPs depositing post-appreciation would contribute equal value amounts at the current market rate, thereby obtaining a share corresponding to the pool's existing ratio, not the ratio of their deposit. The mechanism serves to rebalance the liquidity pool in Argon's protocol. So they have the illustrative example with the initial scenario, and then they have post-appreciation, new LP deposit, and withdrawal scenarios that you could check out on their white paper, their document section if you like. They have a whole trading section if you want to read about the funding fees, transaction fees, liquidation mechanisms, auto deleveraging, ADL for short, maintenance margin and pricing mechanisms. You can learn all about that. They also have a referral section. And lastly, they have the tokenomics. So, like I said, total supply 100 million tokens. This is the native utility token of the Argon protocol, designed to incentivize participation, reward contributors, and facilitate governance in the Argon ecosystem. Now, it says the community supply, Argon community remains the right to increase the total supply of AGT by governance process. Now, token distribution, we got 40% of the tokens are allocated for user incentives, referral programs, and community rewards. 25% of the tokens incentivize liquidity providers and stakers on the platform. 15% of the tokens for ongoing development, technical upgrades, and platform expansion. Then we have 10% of the tokens vested for 4 years or over 4 years to align long-term interests of teams on the team with the platform. Strategic partnerships gets 5% and reserve fund gets 5%. Now you can earn AGT by staking, liquidity provision, trading on the platform, participating in governance, referral programs, and community contribution. And then the token's utility is staking rewards, exclusive access, governance, discounted trading fees, and collateral for trading. There's also going to be token burns, anti-inflation measures, and yeah, you can check all this out at argon-protocol.gitbook.io. That's where you can find their full white paper. Just check out their Twitter over there. You can see there's a link to their webpage on there at Argon Protocol on Twitter. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so one of you guys, let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. Check out all the referral codes, especially that Mexc global one where this token's being listed. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.